Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. So in today's video I will show you how you can use CoWin public API to get the information related to the vaccination slots, and we will use this API to download the certificate from the CoWin with the help of our Python program. So first you need to search CoWin public API, then come down here and open this first link apisetu.gov.in. So here you can see we have a different APIs for the user authentication, metadata, appointment, and for the certificate download. So here you can see we have an API to generate the OTP, and this is for the confirmation OTP. After confirmation we will get a token, and that token we will use to download the certificate, but this part we will cover in the last. So first we will check for the appointment availability API. And for this we need some metadata from the state and district. So I will show you how you can use this API state. So first click here and then click here, try it out and then execute. Then you will get a URL, copy this URL. Now I am using the Postman. You can also download it. I will provide link in the description. You can check it. Now paste the API here in the get request and then send. Now here you can see we got all the state with the name and their ID. Okay, now suppose if you want to check the information related to the 9 state ID, that is Delhi, then we will use the next API that will get the information related to the get list of district. So after the state we need list of district. So we will use the state ID here. So first click here and then try it out and then execute. Now you will get a link, copy this link and open in the Postman again, copy here, and we want the information for the state ID 9. So for this add 9 here and then send. So here you can see we got all the information related to the 9 state ID, that is New Delhi, Central Delhi, District ID, East Delhi, New Delhi and all. Okay, now I'm interested to check the slots in the New Delhi. So we will use this district ID to get the information of available slots. So now we will check the appointment APIs. So you can check the available slots by different way, like find by pin, find by district, find by latitude, longitude, calendar by pin, calendar by district and calendar by center. So first we will check for the find by district. Because we have a district ID, so we will use that ID here. So execute it and you will get a URL again. Copy this URL and open in the Postman. So here you can see we have an option to give the district ID, and we want to check for the 140, that is New Delhi. Yeah, New Delhi. Paste here and change the date also. I want to check for tomorrow, then 31 August 2021, then send the request. So here you can see all the available slots, all the available centers here, like we have a center ID and name, address, state name, all the information are here. You can check. Okay, now if you want to check for particular center ID, then we have another API for this, like find by calendar by center. Okay, so copy this API again, request URL and open in the Postman, and center ID copy from here, and we want to check for the Indian Spinal Injuries Center and paste here center and date for the tomorrow date. Now you can see the vaccines fees here and available capacity dose and timings, all the information related to this center you can check here by the help of center ID. Similarly, you can check for the find by latitude, longitude, calendar by pin. You can enter your pin and even you can enter the district ID. So all these APIs you can use to get the information related to the available slots. So now I will show you how you can use certificate API to download the certificate. So for this we need to generate the OTP first. So let me refresh it. So now we will use generate OTP API and confirm OTP API. After confirmation, we will get a token, and that token we will use in this API to download the certificate. So let me first send the OTP to my mobile number. Click here, try it out, and then enter your mobile number here and then execute. After execute, you will get a transaction ID. Copy this ID and paste it. We will use that transaction API to confirm the password. Okay, now come down here and click on this confirm OTP and then try it out. And here you can see we have an option OTP and for the transaction ID. So this OTP is in the SHA-256 format. We need to convert our OTP that we got on our mobile number to the SHA-256 format. So to convert the OTP, we will use SHA-256 online. I will provide this tool link in the description. You can use it. So now enter the OTP that you got on the mobile number. So I am entering my OTP here. And then copy this. This is the OTP converted into the SHA-256 format. Now paste your OTP here and also paste the transaction ID. Here and then execute. After execution, you can see we get one token. Copy this token and then come down here in certificate API, click here, click on this log button and paste it here and then authorize. And now come down here and then try it out and enter your beneficiary reference ID that is in your certificate. So I entered my beneficiary ID here and then click on execute button. So here you can see we got a response in the byte format, but we want the PDF. So for this you need to copy this curl command and open the Postman and click on this import and then raw text and paste your curl command here and come down here and click on continue and then import. After this, send. Now here you can see again we got a response in byte format, but we want the PDF. So for this, click here and then save to the file. Now save the PDF into your system. Click on save. Now open the folder. You can see this certificate PDF. Now in the next video, I will cover how you can download this certificate directly with the help of Python program. So we will use that curl command and all the APIs in the Python program to get the OTP, confirm OTP, and finally we will download the certificate with the Python program. So that's it for this video. If this video helps you, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.